Ready ka na bang mag-asawa at mag-raise ng family based on your financial capacity? I think that's a question na sumasagi sa minds ng maraming young people, and I think that causes them to hold back and postpone a lot of things na pwede naman gawin. I believe ang importante hindi naman yung finances eh. Ang importante yung sense of responsibility, na willing mag-take ng responsibility yung tao, and willing to be stretched and willing to do the things that are right. So yun ang pinakamahalaga. Sa totoo lang, na-realize ko in my life, susunod yung finances eh. When the person is willing to take the responsibility, susunod yung finances. Pero sabihin mo, a person who is not ready and is not willing to take the responsibility, palaging kulang. Palaging kulang kasi ang kulang is the willingness to take responsibility.